Reads for every Nigerian law student and young lawyer. Hello and welcome once again to The Legal Edge, the official podcast powered by Princess Legal World, your #1 destination for legal books, courtroom attire, and professional outfitting for law chambers in Nigeria. I'm your host, Fiona Ufoma Hassan, and today we're diving into a very important topic: books that build great lawyers. Let's face it, law school in Nigeria is tough. Whether you're an undergraduate law student battling case law and statutes, or a young Whig navigating life after call to bar, one thing is true: the right books make all the difference. You can't build confidence in court or grow your legal reasoning without a strong legal foundation, and that foundation is built on books. But here's the twist: not every book on the shelf is worth your time or money. So today I'll be sharing must-have titles for every Nigerian law student and budding lawyer, and why they matter. Let's begin with students. If you're in law school, your focus should be mastering the core areas of law. So your first must-have is Nigerian Law of Contract by Sagae. This book breaks down contract principles with Nigerian cases. It's like a Bible for anyone taking contract law seriously. Criminal Law in Nigeria by Okonkwo and Naish. This one is clear, detailed, and full of illustrative cases you'll meet in your exams. Company Law and Practice in Nigeria by Oluwoyin Orabugu. Whether you're at 300 level or prepping for bar finals, this title simplifies all the CIC procedures and corporate principles. And for bar exam students, Principles of Nigerian Legal System by A.O. Sani and Civil Procedure in Nigeria by Fidelis Odita, or Sagae's Annotated Civil Procedure Rules. These will get you ready for practical application and bar exam questions. Now for our young lawyers, whether you're in litigation, corporate practice, or still figuring out your path, your bookshelf must reflect your ambition. Here are a few game changers. Practice Notes for Trial Lawyers. This is your in-court playbook. It teaches you how to argue, cross-examine, raise objections, and present your case like a pro. The Law Relating to Evidence in Nigeria by Aguda. If you don't understand evidence, you'll struggle in court. This book helps you apply the Evidence Act with real-life context. ICT Law in Nigeria, or Cybercrime and Digital Law. If you want to stay relevant, get familiar with emerging areas of law. Technology is changing everything, from contracts to criminal law. And listen, it's not just about theory. Presentation also matters. Whether you're in a law office, going to court, or attending client meetings, your appearance speaks before you do. Your wig and gown, your briefcase, even your library shelf, these are not just accessories. They're part of your brand as a professional. At Princess Legal World, we understand this. That's why we curate titles that are authentic, up-to-date, and specifically tailored to the Nigerian legal environment. Our books don't just prepare you for exams, they prepare you for life. And here's a pro tip: start building your personal law library now, even if it's one book a month. It's an investment that pays off every time you step into court, draft a document, or advise a client. Oh, and don't forget, group discounts and payment plans are available, especially for students and young professionals. So you can grow your library and upgrade your wardrobe without breaking the bank. Let's wrap up with this. Great lawyers don't just pass exams, they prepare, they study, and they equip themselves with the right tools. And when it comes to tools, books are your sharpest sword. Thank you for joining me on this episode of The Legal Edge. I hope you're walking away with fresh motivation to sharpen your mind and stack your shelves. Don't forget to follow Princess Legal World on Instagram, X, formerly Twitter, and Facebook for exclusive offers, book recommendations, and legal tips. Until next time, keep reading, keep learning, and keep raising the bar. Would you